Creating Magical Moments, Arabian Prince Costume Reviews, where we explore the world of enchanting costumes and unforgettable adventures. Today, we're diving into 2 customer reviews that shed light on the magic of our Arabian Prince costume set. These heartwarming stories highlight the importance of sizing, attention to detail, and the joy of crafting perfect outfits for your little ones. Let's embark on this magical journey together. A perfect fit for your little prince. Our first customer, a proud parent, shared their experience with the Arabian Prince costume set. Their 6-year-old son, standing at 1.10 meters tall and weighing 19 kilograms, embarked on a magical adventure with this costume. However, they initially chose size 8, and in hindsight, size 6 might have been a better fit. What makes this review special is the parents' creativity in customizing the costume. To make sure the gold part of the costume was prominently displayed, they cleverly tucked a part of the white fabric into the pants waistband. This adjustment transformed the outfit into a magical ensemble, ready for any adventure. This review reminds us that choosing the right size is key, and that a little creativity can make our costumes fit perfectly for your young adventurers. Whether it's for Halloween, a themed party, or dress-up day, it's all about crafting unforgettable moments. Swift delivery and stunning costume in our second customer review. We discover the excitement of receiving our Arabian Prince costume set. This customer was amazed at how swiftly the costume arrived, ordered on the 5th of August and delivered by the 17th of August. Just a week transformed a regular day into a magical adventure. The review also highlighted the accuracy of our product photos, showcasing our commitment to delivering quality costumes that meet your expectations. However, there was a minor sizing issue. The customer's son's feet didn't quite fit through the ankle due to a narrow design. At your brand name, we take customer feedback seriously and are constantly working to improve our products. Your insights help us create even more magical moments for your children. This review reinforces our dedication to delivering quality costumes that make dreams come true. Conclusion: creating magical moments, one costume at a time in the world of costumes and childhood dreams. Every detail matters. These customer reviews remind us of the significance of sizing, attention to detail, and the joy of crafting perfect outfits for your children. At Zasov, we understand that every moment in childhood is precious, and costumes play a significant role in creating magical memories. We're committed to delivering quality costumes that exceed your expectations, ensuring your child's dreams come true. Thank you to our valued customers for sharing their experiences and insights. Your feedback helps us improve our offerings and continue to be a part of the enchanting adventures of young princesses and princesses worldwide. So, as you prepare for your next adventure, whether it's a Halloween night, a themed party, or a simple day of dress-up, remember that your brand names is here to help you create magical moments, one costume at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting adventures in the world of costumes. And as always, may your imagination soar and your dreams come alive. Until next time.